for the state. First of all, I want to empathize with the family that has lost their loved one. So for clarity, I just want to say that yes, indeed, we received the mother who came to our facility, that is Kenyanya Sub-County Hospital. The mother arrived on 26th of this month at around 11 a.m. in the morning. But at that point, she had not yet gone into labor. As routinely, what we normally do for such a kind of a patient, they are normally kept for monitoring until such a time when she goes into labor. And indeed, on the 26th of February, the lady proceeded into labor. At around 6 a.m. in the morning, she was around what we normally call 6 centimeter dilated. That ushers in the process of labor, and therefore that is the point we say that now we need to start monitoring more aggressively. At around 9 a.m., she has not yet gone into full dilatation, which is normally say full dilatation, so that can allow the baby to be delivered. So at around that 9 a.m., the mother had a drastic change of events. She started becoming restless, having short of breath, and as our team realized that, they swung into action. They tried to resuscitate this lady, but in the process of resuscitation, and unfortunately, we lost the mother. Routinely, once a lady has gone into labor, we expect that this mother has to go up to 10 centimeter dilatation, and then that will allow her for subsequent delivery of the mother, of the child. At this point, if you note, this particular mother had not yet reached that point, so she was not yet ready to be taken for delivery room or for subsequent any other further interventions. So at this point, we were trying to do a normal delivery. On the same note, I think in the same facility, we had also other mothers who were in labor, who are being monitored, and I can assure you that all the other mothers who were there, they successfully delivered to a very healthy babies. So on that note, again, I want to reassure all our residents in Kisii County that we as healthcare workers, we sought to make sure that we provide the highest standard of care, and we shall continue to provide that high standard of care. And for that matter, please kindly, as a county, have confidence in our facilities, have confidence in our healthcare workers. For sure, we shall continue giving you the best care that everyone deserves in this county. Thank you very much.
Bono mugaso gukwanira mang'ana akorekanite igoro igari Kenyanya ase nyagitari yitu mang'ana igabeta atari yokogokia ikiagera omwana ominto yomo akacha gwekonya kogonkia ebati embekaba muna abanyagitari baeresire bakabwati byonsi machika bonsi bari tukwigutwa igure muna babwateti rende gakamune bati embe yabete omwana orio ito agasiri obugima bwaye boneka yasiri obugima buria abantu baminto bakabea bakaburukana baganza kumnyokia abanyagitari baito abanyagitari abana baminto batureiniri buya bamanyete gasi yabo bakumnyokigwa ng'aki mwakora nkeke mwakora mbakieti kobori ng'aki ngigosekiaba igo bakite neriogi riabo bono tokubatia abana baminto kera magosa abeire incherere ibintu bigokorekana bagacharia bakamnyokia abo bisa bande bakite aroro bagaka abandi paka mumurumu abo maremu yosirete bakamwaka abantu bakaumiza kange batatu baneiga togoteba ngintu mune kinge korekana ekeri nyagitari ikine chitu twasore nyagitari me kunyiruta magena twatire birore twabire gosenki ibintu bingi bisarigete gari gutumutora abantu baito bakikurigereria bari ngururinga nkike yasarigete bono rende ikabanga nobosoku kabanga nesegi ande kabege ntukatari kworokie gentekia ase jamii yaito munabagusi nturi gotebanga nigentekia kiabete kintu ari gotebanga kege tumune kiabeire twaruribaga ibintu byarigeri gungora ngora kiagere nyagitari genge kanisa aiga no tugutama ake bintu byonse byakoreki byasarikire kero kwaro no gutama none kero moyo rware no kanisa ogokia bone institution ejibere worldwide na murigiria mangana Red Cross nyagitari nchiri komnyoka gusarigwa gusukurwania igorarwa ni munyagitari bono the next minute kwa rwari otogote baiga abantu ba mentore mereria kababa toereru eserikali y'umweshimiwa Paul Simbarati uyo tare ngaroro oinde gaga kwa niaba yake igo toko baene kelinga byonsi mbuyabire twatebiri abanyagitari abanene bagurunga KPMDU bache barigeri bakore investigations bari ngorulinga inki kiabete abanyagitari batotebiri mbuya ko inki kiabete na boigo batotebi clinical officer batotebi chinas batotebi na handi twatebi no DCI umunyonki bwa mangana ya serikali nera agenda arigereria nyonginga linki kiabete iripoti echiche n'abanyene mwana uri osirete mbabwato bosibore wo gukora post mortem yabo muna banjite irinde barorenga na maene aya bagoteba na ari umunyagitari yo bagoteba egere enko chinkoro cyabo gitereme na inde baisane kenga ingigi akorekante kera bono gase bari go bato borobo nene they must be very disappointed lakini kero amanyiri mu maene obu byonsi mbibagwenere muni family ko bagendete kolera na koranga kibagokora ase uyo mwaborarire as a government autofiriti pole na antu atebire pole sana igoro mona abana ba minto timosa ri nyagitari chitu na kende igenga muna bono okosi accident ye para yegari musa ambero musa ambo monyene bono rende investigation ya kiego chikoba gujibosyo borega mukubwatinga kitogokora kitoko investigate my request to the people of Kisii County I feel saddened nonje nimbete nindo chibobe kiara gutuguto bugima eso mwana ole kogonki atari gentukia but tobe abantu tole tolerant and abantu turaba kanyiku and aboro tuereso inyagitari rinjabo atabangina bande batagete kogonki abande bagongiri abande kogonki baguchi iko tari makogoso turateba yani you amabepi something that went wrong we will all be told muna banyagitari batebiri umwaka mutinyo oero January iko twara abana chiribusato bagotoka banyoretwe that shows you nge serikali mbiyere n'abakora imirimo serikali abanyagitari mbiya bari kokonya bangina betu chiribusato is not a joke aso mutinyo yomo ko toko te bambuya mwana abanyagitari for a job well done kokore gasi iyo sindi ko so dia bere limo we will look at it totebane kitoko kora tito na abana ba minto